One bite. World slows down. Rare cacao. Whisper of gold. Made with passion. Pari cocoa.
I made that with one prompt in under 5 minutes. The tool I have used is Pippit AI Agent and their brand new model, Dreamina Seedance 2.0. And this AI doesn't just generate videos, it understands storytelling. And today I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. So you can do the same thing for any product, any brand, any idea you have in your head. Let's dive in. Head over to Pippit AI. The link is in the description. It's an AI content creation platform built for marketers, editors, and business owners. They just dropped Dreamina Seedance 2.0, their newest AI video model. And the claim? Premium level commercials. No glitches, no weird AI plastic look. Just clean. Cinematic. Ads that actually look like ads. Click on Start for free and log in with your Gmail account. The concept. This is Pippit's Creative Hub. Click on the Video tab right on the homepage. Select your model. Look for Dreamina Seedance 2.0 and click it. Not the fast version, the full one. This is the model that actually understands luxury textures and cinematic storytelling. So here's today's idea. A premium dark chocolate commercial. Now I'll write the prompt, describing every scene, every texture, every emotion. Create an ad about a premium dark chocolate brand called Pari Cocoa. After that, I set duration, style, dark, luxurious, color palette, deep brown, matte black. Watch. After that, I break down the clip into a different timeline and write the scene. I will describe this at the end of this video. And this is where everything happens. Click on the duration settings. Set aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube. Set duration to 15 seconds. Hit the send button. And now, we wait. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes to generate. The reveal.
One bite. World slows down. Rare cacao. Whisper of gold. Made with passion. Pari cocoa.
The cacao beans, the texture, the steam, it's real. The liquid pour, glossy, thick, hypnotic. Exactly like I described. This works because Pippit Seedance 2.0 does something others simply can't. It understands material textures. It maintains the color palette. It understands scene logic. And it generates a natural voiceover automatically. No recording. So instead of random pretty clips, you get a complete luxury commercial with a real narrative arc. That was one prompt for a brand called Pari Cocoa that I literally just made up within 5 minutes. The possibilities. And Pari Cocoa is just the beginning. Look at this. I also made a luxury perfume ad.
One spray. But her scent is everywhere. Pari perfume.
One prompt. That's Pari perfume. A brand I also just made up. 2 completely different products. 2 completely different emotions. Both made in minutes. Because this exact same approach works for anything. Fashion ads with deep editorial lighting. Skincare brands with clean minimal aesthetics. Even high-end food brands with steam and warm vibes. This is a full luxury production studio inside an AI. The bigger picture. Think about this for a second. Before, a commercial like that Pari Cocoa ad? That would cost tens of thousands of dollars. A studio, a director, a food stylist, a cinematographer, post-production. Small brands and solo creators simply couldn't afford it. Now your only limit is your imagination. Anyone, a solo creator, a small chocolate brand, a student with a business idea, can create something that looks blockbuster level. The formula. Before I send you to try this yourself, let me give you the exact formula I used for the Pari Cocoa ad. Because the prompt is everything. Step 1. Name your product and brand. Be specific. Step 2. Set the duration. 10 seconds, 15, 30, your call. Step 3. Define the style and mood. Dark and luxurious, Warm and emotional, clean and minimal. Step 4. Break it into scenes with exact timestamps, 0 to 3 seconds, 3 to 7, and so on. Step 5. Add sensory details, textures, materials, sounds, lighting, camera movement. The more specific and cinematic your language, the more premium the output. That's the formula. Use it on your very first prompt. Your turn. Start the next era of content creation. Scale your brand with Pippit. Link in the description. Go try it. Write your first prompt. Make your ad. And when you're shook, because you absolutely will be, come back and tell me in the comments. Hit the like button and subscribe to get more updates. Until next time, happy creating.